Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to AC Repair, brought to you by Mallard Heating and Cooling, your local air conditioning experts in Spanish Fort and across Baldwin County. Think your AC is fine? Most systems give you warning signs. Homeowners just miss them. In Spanish Fort, where heat hits fast, that mistake can cost you a breakdown on the hottest day of the year. We've seen thousands of AC calls across Baldwin County. Here are 5 warning signs your air conditioner is headed for trouble. 1. Does your air conditioner have weak airflow? It could mean a blockage or compressor issue. 2. Is your AC blowing warm air instead of cool? This is a clear red flag. 3. Are you hearing strange noises? Hissing, banging, grinding, screeching, or rattling are signs to get AC repair ASAP. 4. Are you smelling unusual odors? This may indicate mold or electrical issues. 5. Are your energy bills rising? It means your system is working harder than it should. These warning signs don't fix themselves and usually get worse over time. The key is to make sure to hire the right AC repair company. Mallard Air is proud to be voted Best of Alabama, featured in the Ductless directory, recognized as a Ductless All-Star, and featured in USA Today for their excellence in air conditioning repair. Based in Spanish Fort, they serve Daphne, Fairhope, and all of Baldwin County. Get a free evaluation of your AC system. Call 251-225-4035 today or visit callmallardair.com.